Fashion enthusiast. Diving into the glamorous world of fashion is like stepping into a dreamland where creativity knows no bounds. From exclusive designer interviews revealing the journeys and inspirations of top designers to trend analysis forecasting upcoming color palettes and fabric choices, the fashion industry is a dynamic universe of innovation and style. Behind-the-scenes access to fashion shows, photo shoots, and design studios offers a backstage pass to witness the magic of collections coming together from concept to runway. Exploring the unique creative processes of designers, from initial sketches to final garments, unveils the artistry and dedication that shape modern fashion. Sustainability is not just a trend, but a movement within the industry, with designers incorporating eco-friendly practices to make a positive impact. Innovation in fashion pushes boundaries with the latest technological advancements and creative techniques that redefine the way we perceive style. Practical style advice and tips from experts help elevate wardrobes and personal style, while delving into the history of iconic fashion houses provides a deeper understanding of the industry's evolution. Exciting collaborations between designers and creatives influence fashion trends, showcasing the power of partnership in driving creativity forward. Discovering emerging designers who bring fresh perspectives to the fashion world is like uncovering hidden gems waiting to shine. Engaging with featured designers through live Q&A sessions offers personalized insights, creating a unique connection between creators and fashion enthusiasts. Fashion show recaps and analyses highlight standout collections and key trends, while gaining industry insights sheds light on the business side of fashion, from marketing strategies to market trends. Participating in styling workshops led by experts offers hands-on advice on creating stunning looks, empowering individuals to express their unique style. Fashion education provides knowledge about design principles, textiles, and garment construction, enriching our understanding of the craftsmanship behind each piece. Exploring the stories behind iconic fashion pieces reveals the legacy and impact of timeless creations that have shaped the industry. Personal anecdotes and career highlights from designers offer a glimpse into the passion and dedication driving their work, creating a deeper connection with their vision. Exclusive coverage of major fashion weeks around the world showcases the latest collections and designer highlights, immersing us in the global celebration of style. Discovering the sources of inspiration that drive designers, from art and culture to travel and nature, unveils the creative forces shaping the fashion landscape. Connecting with fellow fashion enthusiasts and professionals fosters a sense of community, where shared passion and collaboration spark exciting projects and endless possibilities in the world of style.